So next, we're heading over to one of Florida Tech's science laboratories to meet Delaney Lisco. She's a senior, majoring in biomedical engineering, and she's gonna take a few minutes away from her lab work to talk to us about another important element of Florida Tech's DNA, in-depth undergraduate research. Delaney, please take it away.
Hey everyone! All students at Florida Tech have the opportunity to get involved in research, and most of us take full advantage. Undergraduate research is a great way for Florida Tech students to dive deeper into a topic that they're most passionate about. It's also a great way to gain practical knowledge whether you're in the lab or out in the field. Here at Florida Tech, we have tons of research disciplines, so no matter what you're interested in studying, we have an opportunity here for you. A lot of students get involved with research through their professor or graduate assistant who works within the department. Once you get involved with research, you can learn more about your major, you can learn how to use really awesome technology and equipment, and you can gain practical skills and knowledge that will help you excel both inside and outside the classroom. My favorite part about the research that I do here at Florida Tech is the connection that I can make between my education and the real world. Currently, I am involved in a really relevant and exciting multidisciplinary senior design project sponsored by a local science-based company, Chem-Free Solutions. We have been developing a UV LED matrix for ultraviolet germicidal irradiation. I got involved with this project in my junior year, and it really has been one of the greatest experiences that I've had at Florida Tech. Being involved with research has allowed me to network with other passionate students. You can learn so much working side by side with one of your professors, a graduate assistant, or another student on the project. With so many knowledgeable and experienced professors, as well as countless opportunities, I have found that our foundation for research is deeply rooted into what Florida Tech has to offer to its students and to the world. Florida Tech's motto, Ad Astra per Scientiam, which translates to the stars through science, for me encaptures what Florida Tech is all about. Our school really does go above and beyond when it comes to scientific research and discovery. Back to you, Alex.
Delaney, wow, it's so impressive, the hands-on research you all get to do alongside your professors here on campus. It's extraordinary. Thanks for taking the time to share that. Bye, Delaney.